Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new day with a brand new content. So guys, today I'm going to explain to you guys step-by-step guide on how you can earn money online with Blotter affiliate network. So as you all know, affiliate network is all about you as a publisher promoting advertisers offers and you get paid for doing that. So with Blotter app, you can earn money online by promoting offers. There are a lot of offers available for you to promote. So by the way, my name is Abakar Abakade. Do like and subscribe to this channel if you found out this video very interesting. Thank you. Let's get it done. With affiliate network is to sign up. You put in your details. After you put in your details, you put in your traffic sources, then you wait for approval. So usually approval takes approximately 14 days before approval. Once you apply for offers for this Blotter affiliate network, it usually takes 14 days in order to be approved. So I've already registered with this Blotter affiliate and I've been approved. So I'm going to show you my dashboard. So if you want to create your account, you put in your name, your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, password, your country, your payment option, and your social media profile. You copy the link to your social media account. Is it Facebook, Twitter, Instagram also, and you tell them how soon will you begin promoting their offers. Then you agree to the terms and register. So once you register with them, you wait for 14 days. It usually takes 14 working days before you will be approved to promote their offers. So I'm going to show you quickly and how this sales blotter works, because there are a lot of offers here on sales blotter that you can promote in your country and with high commission. Some offers will demand that person must make payment before you can get paid. That is, person must make payment through your link that you shared on your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and the rest before you personally you will get paid. So there are a lot of offers available on this sales builder affiliates network. So let me log in. So I'm going to log in right now. So here we are on the sales builder affiliate network. So as you can see, I apply for some offers based on my country, 2 offers, but I'm awaiting approval. So I'm awaiting approval. You can request a withdrawal after you've earn the money. So once you have been approved, you can apply for offers. You request for offers before you can start promoting those offers. So here you can put your traffic sources. Where do you intend to promote their uh, offer links? So the advantage of putting in the traffic source is for the advertiser to know that you are the one that promoted their offers through your uh, account. That's the essence of using the traffic source. So this is it. This is how the sales blotter app works. So there are a lot of offers here that you can promote on this sales blotter. There are a lot of offers that you can promote. A lot of offers. So let me show you guys how the offers are. There are a lot of payment method that you can put. You can make withdrawal through PayPal, and you can also make withdrawal through check, wire transfer, and the rest. So here are the list of offers that are available. There are a lot of offers that are available for person to promote on this sales blotter affiliate network. So you have to be careful when applying for offers, because uh, any offer that you apply that is not based on your country, it can either not be approved, or you can be paid for the offer once you generate a lead. So you have to be very careful, and you have to check the expiring date of the offer before you apply for it. So these are the rates for the offers. They have pretty much good payment rates, commissions that you can get if you promote their offers. So all these offers, as you see, this being ad by Microsoft is mean for all the countries. So I've applied for it. I'm awaiting approval. So any person that make payments through this Bing ad, I'm going to earn $20 for this offer. So as you can see, it's pretty much easy working with this sales blotter affiliate network. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you find out this video very interesting. Thank you. I really appreciate your view. Don't forget to support by subscribing and liking to this channel. Thank you. Till we see you on my next video. Thank you. Goodbye.